Hi, so in this video I will show you how we create $2,000 AI voice agents for our clients, and I will show you the full process, like how we create from scratch, how we are doing the sequence, how we create prompts, and all of these things in this video. So stay tuned. So first of all, here's the sequence. Like, we create the form first. We build a form where lead puts their details. So it can be a Facebook form, it can be a Go High Level form, any form you want. Okay, so once you fill out this form, you will get a call. Like, how the sequence works: once you fill out the form, the lead details gets added inside Go High Level account. All right, so once it gets added in a Go High Level workflow, then it gets added to a make scenario. Okay, so once a make scenario triggers, it sends a call through Bhapi AI to the lead. So once the call is triggered from Bhapi AI, it not only feels human, but also it probes the user, and it also tried to book them for an appointment in Go High Level calendar. All right, so that's how this sequence works, and I will show you the full process, like how we do for a new client. Okay, so let's say we are doing it for this client. This is the website for our client. So first of all, you need to get all the details about the business from the client, like their website, their business details, their FAQs, and all of these things. So once you get all these details, you need to create the system prompt for the AI agent. So the system prompt is the main brain of the agent. All right, so you need to create that before you do anything for the agent. Okay, so you need to go to the website, and you need to tap on Control A to select all these things. And once you copy all these things, it's Control A or Command A, whatever system you are using. So once you copy all these things, you need to go to ChatGPT, and you need to put the things, and you need to put a prompt like, I need a system prompt for our voice AI agent, and you need to create it according to this structure. So you need to give a structure to ChatGPT to create the prompt, and where you will get the structure. So this is the structure, you can see. So I will give you the structure in a Google Doc in the description. You can just get this from there. Okay, just copy the structure and put it there, and put your details from this client site. Okay, so once you share this to ChatGPT will give you the prompt in the structure that you want. Okay, so once you get the structure, then you need to go to Bhapi. So we are using Bhapi to create the voice AI assistants. You need to go to Bhapi, or you can use any of the tools like Synthflow, Retail AI, anything. Okay, so once you go to the tool, then you need to go to the assistants part. And once you tap on assistants, you need to tap on the create assistant button. Once you tap on create assistant, you will get this blank template. All right, so let me give a name here, Sodem assistant. Tap on blank template, tap on create assistant. So once you tap on create assistant, you need to give all the system prompts, first message, and all these things here. Okay, so I will do it one by one. You need to select the model. I always select 4O mini cluster. It's the fastest model. After that, you need to select the first message mode. So for the outbound part, I am creating an outbound agent right now. For the outbound thing, you can make it as assistant waits for the user. Like, you can think like this: when you get a new call, then you pick it and you tell hello, not the other one, like the caller. They don't speak at the first place. They call it, you receive it, and after you receive, you tell hello. So once you tell hello, then the other person starts talking, right? So that's how it works. So that's how you need to make it here. Just make it as assistant waits for user, and it's the opposite when you create the inbound agent. Okay, so when you create the inbound agent, you need to make it like assistant speaks first, because you are calling them. Okay, so that's how it needs to be there. And then you need to create the first message. So first message, I will copy from my document. I have already created the prompt for this agent, so I will just copy it and paste it, because this is not a prompt engineering course. I will explain this prompting in a different video. So I will explain what is this thing, this first name thing, and all these things later. So it's a variable. I will tell you all these things when you create the sequences, the scenarios. All right. So this is Mary from sort M marketing agency. You recently interacted with the rats. You have to chat. It's fine. Then I will create the system prompt. I have already created this. I will just copy it and paste it there. Copy, paste. Done. Now I will edit it a little bit. So here is the timing. You need to put it like this, whatever the timing is of your business. You are Mary, appointing voice assistant for sort M marketing agency. So it needs to be like your client's business name, professional, social, media, ads, and creative agency based in New York, United States. The caller's name is first name. This is the variable. Caller's phone number is phone. This is also a variable. I will explain you later. Our primary focus is helping business improve their lead generation system through converting websites, airport, AI-powered automation. So I need to change it through converting ads and eye-catchy creatives. Our website address is sortem.co. Goals. Your goal is to become appointment, all the things, and ads expert. Not ads, let's write it performance marketing expert. Style. This style part will be consistent throughout the assistants that we will create. Okay. And once the styling part is done, you need to put the sequences, like how the call will go. Okay, don't get lost in between all these things. Inquire about the business and potential of how we can help. So you need to inquire about the business. We have been helping business like yours improve their lead pipeline by 130% using converting ads and eye-catchy scroll stopping creatives. Would you be interested in learning how we can help your business grow too? Perfect. All right. So once you probe the user, you will get all the answers, and after getting all the answers, you need to ask like, would you be available for an online meeting? So here you can see I am asking, would you be online for an meeting where I can give you detailed explanation on how we can help. Okay, so once they agrees to book the call, you need to go with the booking flow. Okay, so once the caller agrees to book an appointment, ask for time zone, whatever time zone they are in. Okay, so you can skip it, or you can also make it like this. Ask about the time zone, then give them the some available time slots by running GHL check availability. So these are the tools. Okay, so I will explain about the tools after I finish the prompting part. Okay, and once the prompting part is done about the booking flow, so this part will be consistent throughout the assistants. Okay, the booking flow. And after the booking flow, you need to give some important guidelines like how the assistant should follow the conversation. Okay, so this thing also will be consistent throughout the assistants. And once it's done, you need to make the other changes in the assistant. So the temperature will be around 0.2 or 0.3. You can make it 0.3 if you want, or 0.2, anything. Okay, and the voice configuration will be 11 labs. It's better what I feel. And I will put the ID manually. So if you don't have the right ID for your assistant, you need to test it. Whatever voice you have, whatever voice you feel is correct, or whatever voice you are feeling like a human. So I have this voice, I will just put it and I will publish it. Error updating assistant could not find voice. Okay, I think the voice ID is not correct. Let me check it again. Yeah, updated. So you need to little bit testing here. Just do some testing here, like put it and again put it, and then you need to tap on the publish button. So when it's done, you need to select the model. It's the right model. Tap on additional configuration. You can make it as off, and if it's default, then it will be like an office sound. Like whenever the AI will call any user, then there will be some background office sound. Okay, so I like to make it off. If you want to make a office sound in the background, then you can do it. After that, all these things will be by default. Transcriber, dipgram, it's correct. Nova 2 will be there. Make sure it's Nova 2 because it's the correct model, or it feels better. After that, you need to select the tools. So I will tell you about the tools after I finish all these things. You need to make the enable end call function, because whenever there is an end in the call, like the user said bye, then the assistant should end the call by themselves. Okay, enable the end call function, then go to the start speaking plan, make it as 0.2 or 0.1, and go to voicemail detection, make it as BAPI recommended, because if there is a voicemail on the other end, then the AI agent should recognize it and it should detect the voicemail and it should end the call. Okay, so that we don't waste any credit in BAPI. After that, we need to go to stop speaking plan. All of these things will be by default. Then we need to, all the things are right. Okay, so once you do all these things, you need to tap on publish. Done. Now we need to select the tools. So before we select the tools, we need to trigger the call. Okay, so how we can trigger the call? Once you set the prompt, once you set all these things in the assistant, you need to go to go high level. In go high level, you need to create the forms and the system that is used to get the call, that is used to trigger the call. Okay, just go to forms in your go high level account, and you need to go to, you can create the form in a folder as well, but I will create the, tap on add form. I will create it here right now. Tap on create. Once you tap on create, you will go to the form builder, and inside the form builder you need to create the form. Okay, so here you need to rename the form YT AI agent form. First name need to make it required, last name is not, it's fine. Phone, you need to enable country picker, and you can remove this box and write it as request a callback. Remove these things. Done. And go to this style and options, go to advanced, no, not here, or I can get the after submit options, settings. Yeah, thank you for taking the time to complete this form. Our AI assistant will call you shortly. Done. Once you add this, you can put all these things, pixel ID and all of these things, but I will save it right now. It's done. Once you create the form, you need to go back. Once you go back, you need to go to funnels. You need to create one page so that you can send that page to your callers, to your prospects, to book the call for you. Okay, so just create one page with the form so that you can send it to your prospects. I will go to my funnel where all the pages are there. I will just clone the page that we have. Let me clone it. Clone funnel step. Clone step in this funnel. Cloned it. Now I will rename it AI test YT update step. Once you updated it, you need to go to the editor and make the changes there. Okay, just go to the editor, and here you need to edit the page as per the business you are working on. So I will make it as short M AI voice bot. Experience the short M AI voice bot. Request a callback. I will select the right form here. So what form I have made? Yeah, this is the one, YT AI agent form. Request a callback. Perfect. And publish it. Once published, go back. Now you need to create the automation. I will open this folder AI workflows, and I will create the trigger automation. So this is the trigger automation that we have. I will duplicate this workflow. Okay, I will make it from scratch to show you. Okay, now we need to add the trigger. So the trigger will be form submitted. Once the form is submitted, then this workflow will be triggered. Form is YT AI agent form. Save. So once the form is submitted, you need to add the action point, and in the action point you need to add the webhook. Tap on webhook. It will be post, and the URL will be a make scenario webhook. So you have to go to make. You can just create one account using the URL I have shared in the description. You can get 30 days free with 1000 operations for free if you sign up from there, and you will get all these things here. Okay, so once you go to the scenarios, you need to create one scenario. Just tap a create a new scenario and tap on webhook. Custom webhook. Create a webhook. Name it as whatever you want to name it. YT Bhapi trigger. Save. Copy address to clipboard. Save it. And I need to put it here because this workflow will trigger this webhook. Okay, so once you put it here, add the custom data. It will be contact ID. Value will be contact ID. Okay, so this is the value. You can also get it from here. Contact ID. This is the ID. Okay, so once you add it, you need to save this action. Save it. Once saved, just rename this workflow name YT Bhapi trigger. Publish it. Save it. So I will test this workflow right now. Just tap on test workflow, and I will send a contact here. Let me send my contact. Run test, and I will get the contact here. Okay, I am not running it. Now just tap on the run once, and you need to send the details here. Just tap on test workflow. Search any contact. You need to have your contact in the contacts tab in Go High Level to test it. Just tap on your contact details. Run test. You will get the details here. You can see I got the details in the webhook. So once you get the details in the webhook, you need to add the other details. Just tap on add another module. Here you need to add the HTTP module. Make a request. URL will be the Bhapi URL. Okay, So I will add this URL. This is the URL for Bhapi call trigger. Just add this URL here. It will be post, add a header, name will be authorization. I will add this from this document. If you are not understanding what is happening here, you need to read about the API documents on GHL, and you need to understand about the API functions, how it works. Okay, so if you have not understood like whatever the API is, then do whatever I am doing here, or you can read it and understand it better. Put it as authorization, then the value will be this. So add as bearer space the API key. So this is the API key you will get from Bhapi. Just go to Bhapi, you will get Bhapi API keys point here. Just tap on it, and you need to copy this private API key. Okay, just copy this ID and you need to paste it here. Okay, bearer space API key of the Bhapi. Okay, once done, I need to tap on add another header, and you need to tap on content type. So just put content type here, and the value will be application JSON. Done. Now I need to put this JSON. Okay, so this is the JSON that you need to put in this body type. It will be raw, content type will be application JSON, and request content will be this. So this is the JSON that you need to create. Okay, so this is the API JSON. So once you get this JSON, I will put it in the document in the description, so you can get all the resources from the description. So just go to this description link and you will get all the prompt structure, JSON, all these things there. Okay, so in this JSON you need to update some things. Okay, so this is the assistant ID that you need to update. So the assistant ID you will get from Bhapi. Just go to Bhapi, go to assistants, and here you will get the assistant ID. This is the assistant ID, not this one. Okay, you will also get some ID type things here, but this is not the ID, this is the ID. Okay, just tap on this copy assistant ID, go here and put the assistant ID here, paste it, and phone number ID. So you need to get the phone number ID from here. Just tap on phone numbers. So how you can put one phone number here? You need to put one phone number from Twilio or Vonage, whatever you are using. So buy a phone number inside Twilio account, and you can connect it through the Twilio credentials. Just tap on create phone number. You need to tap on import Twilio account SID, put the SID from your Twilio account, token, and all these things, and put the number here and import from Twilio. It will be imported in 2 seconds. Okay, so that's how you can import from Twilio. You can also import from Vonage and all these things. Also you can use the free Bhapi number, but it's limited usage. Like you can use about 5 to 7 calls per day, and it's not like that useful. Okay, so once you import it from Twilio, you need to get the phone number ID. So I have imported this number from Twilio account, and I will get the phone number ID from here. This is the phone number ID. Just tap on the phone number ID, copy it, and you need to paste it here. So once you pasted the phone number ID here, you need to map these things. Okay, so in this phone you will get the phone here from the webhook. So where is the phone? This is the phone. Just tap on this phone and it will be mapped. Okay, if I do it right now, it will be like this. Just tap on this middle part. Once you tap on this, just tap on the phone. Yeah, it's added. Same, you need to add the first name here. You will get the first name from here. This is the assistant overrides part. So these are the variables that you saw in the Bhapi AI agent. Okay, so in this assistant overrides part, you will see first name, time zone, phone number, and these are the variables you will see in assistants. So in assistant, here you will see first name. So this is the variable that is coming from this first name, okay, and it needs to be as it is written here. First name, N is capital here, you need to have the N capital here, okay. So that's how this assistants overrides are coming, and it will be variable for every call you make, okay. So whatever name will be there, the Bhapi AI agent will call that name here, okay. So that's how this assistant overrides works. Once all these things done, then you need to tap on save. Saved. Now you need to tap on add another module, and you need to add the data store. Tap on add replace record. I need to add a data store. My data store YT. Choose a data structure. Add a data structure. Add item. Contact ID. Add contact ID. Oh, it will be text. Add another item. Phone number. It will be number. Save it. Done. Save it. Now I need to map it here, okay. So here in the contact ID part, you need to map the contact ID from here. Where is the contact ID? This is the contact ID. Just tap on this. In the phone number, you need to map it from here. Add it. Just tap on save. Add it. Now we need to add one error handler, because in HTTP modules it might get some errors in some time, but you need to add one error handler here. So we need to add one error handler here so that this errors gets handled. Just tap on right click on this and tap on add error handler, and you need to ignore it. So if there is something error is happening, it will ignore and go to this place, okay. So you can add also emails part, you can add sheets, like whatever error is happening here, the error details will be added in the sheet, or it will send one email to you directly, okay. So that's how we can add these things in the AI trigger workflow. I will name it as YT AI trigger. You can name it whatever you want. Once you rename it, you need to tap on immediately as data arrives. Save it. You need to save the scenario once, then you can tap on this and go back. So the AI trigger is complete. Now we need to create the tools in Bhapi, okay. So this is complete. Go to back to workflows. So the AI trigger part is complete. So now you can test once the short term testing page. So once the triggers and workflows are complete, you need to go to sites. You need to go to your funnel, whatever funnel you have created for the page. Just tap on the funnel and go to the AI test page that you have for the testing part. Just go to the view page options, and here you need to put the details, and you need to test it once. So let me test it once if I get the call or not. 73 request a call back. Let me check if I am getting a call. Yes, I am getting a call. You can see. I will just cut this call. Yeah, the call trigger is working. If I go here, you can see this call trigger is working, okay. You can see 111, it means it's working, okay. Okay, the AI trigger is working. Now I need to create the tools in Bhapi. So to create the tools in Bhapi, so that you can create the appointments and get the appointments booked in your Go High Level account, I need to go to your integration part. Just go to settings, go to integration, and here you need to create the integration with Go High Level. Okay, here you can see this is the Go High Level integration. You need to connect your Go High Level account here. Okay, so there is also a Go High Level integration here, but this is not the right one, this is the right one. Okay, at the end you will get the Go High Level integration. You will get one connect button here. Just tap on the connect button and one pop-up will open and you need to log in your Go High Level account. Okay, that's all. Once you log into Go High Level, it will be connected in 2 seconds. Once the Go High Level connection is done, you need to go to tools, and inside tools you need to create 4 tools. Okay, so this GHL contact get, contact create, check availability, and create event. These 4 tools you need to create inside this tool dashboard. Just tap on create tool, tap on custom tool, and here you need to give the tool name like GHL underscore contact underscore get. So whatever name you are giving here, you need to give the same name in the assistants. So inside assistants you have the tool flow, like so in the assistants you have the tool flow, right? So inside that tool flow you need to give the same name that we have given here. Okay, so once you put the name, the description will be blank. Here in the server settings, all this will be blank. Okay, so once you go to tools, just tap on tools and you need to tap on create tool. Okay, so once you tap on create tool, you will have this. So once you tap on create tool, you will have this option as Go High Level. So once the connection is done, you will have this option as Go High Level. So you need to create these 4 tools here. Once you tap on contact get, one tool will open, and here you need to change the name, because whatever name you will give here, you need to give the same name in the assistants tab. Okay, so inside assistants you will have the tool flow. So in that tool flow option, you need to give the same name that you give here. Okay, so it will be like GHL underscore contact underscore get. So that's how you need to give a tool name here. Description will be blank, it will be checked, and you can give it default message, because whenever this tool will run, there will be a default message of please hold on, like this. Okay, you can also give some custom message like I am checking the tool, please hold on, like this. Okay, so you can make it as default and save it. I already have this tool here, so I would not save it right now. I will delete this tool. Yeah, so once you create all these tools, GHL contact get, contact create, the same way, just tap on create tool, go to Go High Level, contact create, go to Go High Level, availability, create event. So that's how you need to create 4 tools. And inside contact create tool, same thing, save it, the description will be blank. Go to availability tool, same, the name will be same, description blank. In the metadata part, you need to give the calendar ID here. For the availability tool, there is some change. You need to create the calendar and you need to share the calendar ID here. So where you get the calendar ID, you need to go to Go High Level, go to calendars. Here you will see the calendar settings. Inside calendar settings, you will see the calendar ID. So let's say this is the calendar I am using. So I need to copy the calendar ID from here. Just copy the ID, go to Bhapi, and here you need to paste the calendar ID. Okay, once you add the calendar ID, you need to add the time zone. This is optional also. You need to add the time zone as per your business time zone. Okay, once you add the time zone, then you need to save it. Once it's saved, you need to go to create event tool. Description will be blank, name will be as it is. In the calendar ID part, you need to paste the calendar ID, same calendar ID, then you need to save it. Okay, so that's how you need to create the 4 tools here. Once the tools are created, Then you need to go to assistants, and inside assistants you need to select the tools. Okay, so just go to the tools part. Here you need to select all the 4 tools that you have created: contact get, create, availability check, create event. Just select 4 tools and save this. Inside tools flow, in the prompt you will see the tool names as it is: GHL contact get, GHL contact create. So these names should be same as the tool names you create here. No uppercase, lowercase, nothing. Okay, the tool names should be same that you create in the tools and you share in the event system prompt. Okay, so that's how you need to create the system prompt and the tools inside Bhapi assistant. So once you select all the tools and prompts, you have the system ready to book the calendars. Okay, so I will do a live calendar check right now. Okay, this assistant is booking or not. So let me check the assistant right now. I will make a call by filling out the form and I will try to book an appointment. So let me check if the system is working or not. I will tap on request a call back. Let's see. So here you can see I am getting a call right now from the AI agent and I will pick it up right there. Hello.
Recently interacted with our ads. Do you have a minute to chat?
Yes.
Awesome. So we've been helping businesses like yours improve their lead pipeline by 130% using converting ads and scroll-stopping creative. Would you be interested in learning how we can help your business grow too?
Yes.
Great. Can I know your business name and what services you offer?
Yeah, I provide AI and automation service and my business name is Sortex.
Nice. So Sodex, how do you currently manage your online lead generation channels? Any specific areas where you're hoping to see improvement?
Yes, I want to improve my CTR of the landing pages and I want to test some more creatives in the ads.
Got it. Improving your CTR and testing new creatives can make a big difference. Would you be available for an online meeting where we can give you a detailed explanation of how we can help?
Yes, I would love to.
Awesome. Cool. Can you please give me your preferred date and time this week so that I can check and confirm?
Can you please give me some open slots tomorrow?
I found some slots for tomorrow. How about 1, 8 a.m. EST to 8:30 a.m. EST? Do any of these work for you?
8:30 a.m.
This will just take a sec. Just a sec. Awesome.
Okay.
I locked you in for tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. Yes. We'll show you a full demo on how we're solving this problem for others. You're gonna love this.
Perfect.
Is there anything else I can help you with?
Thank you. Bye. No.
Great. If you need
So you see, like the AI booked me for an appointment right there in the call. Okay, so that's how we can create AI voice agents and that's how we can book appointments live through AI voice agents. Okay, so that's the power of AI agents. So I can see this is a 7:30 a.m. EST as well. Like, so I have asked to book the 8:30 a.m. but it's 7:30 a.m. showing here because this account is in America Cancun time. Okay, so if I show you here, this is a Cancun time. So the timing set in the AI agent as EST. So if I show you the 8:30 a.m. EST to Cancun time, you can see this, it's 7:30 a.m. so that's why it's showing as 7:30 a.m. here. Okay, so that's how we can create appointments and that's how we can book appointments using AI voice agents. So yeah, that's all about the video. If you have any questions, you have any doubts about the video, you can comment down below and I will answer all the questions that you have. all the resources, prompts, structures, JSONs, all the things that you need to create these AI agents. I will share those all the things in the description box. You can just tap on the link and you will get all these things in your email. So yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.